If you're new to the job market and looking for a position in 2025, you want to be doing these three major things. If you're new here, I am Daniela, originally from Portugal. I am a manager in tech and analytics, and in today's video, I'll be sharing all I know about finding a job in the US. The first one is network. Your network is your net worth. This is so valid, so true. In 2023, I was looking for a new job and I got 3 offers. 2 of them were network. For people that are just starting out, that don't have any type of job experience, this can be really hard. How do you leverage your network when you don't have one? I would say there are 3 major things that you want to be doing if you have never worked. The first one is leveraging your professors, your colleagues. Make sure that people know you, that you are showcasing your skills. The second thing is you want to make sure that you have an online platform that you are showcasing your work. It can be a GitHub, it can be on LinkedIn, it can be a professional website. You want to make sure that people know about the things that you are doing because you are advertising them somewhere. Third one is your family, your friends. Even if you are not from the US, you can still have a lot of friends here who are working in companies that most likely you want to work. Make sure that people around you know your skills, know the type of jobs you are looking for, the areas where you want to work, the companies you want to work, because most likely someone will know someone who knows someone that can help you to get a position. So make sure network is your number one priority. And now, next to the second one. If you are enjoying this content, don't forget to support by liking, commenting, and sharing with others, especially people looking for positions right now. And with that, back to the video. The second thing is you want to know the structure, the code of the industry of the company. If you are targeting a particular industry, a particular type of company, you absolutely have to understand the way they work, the way they interview, what matters to them, what types of skills they look for, what types of people they usually go after. And the only way to know this is basically, I would say 2-3 ways. The 2 major ways are, one is looking online, using YouTube, using all the social media available to tell you all the company interviews. And the second one, which to me is way more meaningful, but also way more effective, is reaching out to people who are working in the positions and the companies that you want to work for and literally ask them, how was your process? How can I also get a job in this company? Most people will be happy to talk to you. And when I say ask the right questions or seek for the information, it's quite literally, hey, we have Connect and I'm going through this process. Can you tell me more about your experience? How was it like? What type of questions or areas do you think I can prepare for? Of course, this type of information, someone who trusts you or someone that has built a little bit a relationship with you will most likely help compared to someone who doesn't know you. But at the end of the day, it doesn't cost anything to ask. The third thing is AI. You absolutely want to be leveraging AI. AI is so powerful these days, and you want to make sure that you are getting the repetitive tasks out of the way. If you are not using AI, my friend, you are really wasting a lot of your time. And I'm going to show you how I used AI in the past to help me look for a position. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the job description on LinkedIn that I saw. I'm going to put it on ChatGPT and I'm going to tell him, how can I tailor my resume to this particular job description? I'm going to give my resume, and then ChatGPT is automatically going to give me some words, some adjustments that I can apply to my resume. This is quite literally a simple example where I use ChatGPT to help me with this particular job description, but you can leverage in so many ways, especially if you are interviewing, but hopefully you are already doing this for your job applications. If you enjoyed this video, you may also want to check this one here where I share about different techniques to find a job in 2025. And with that, I will see you next week. Bye!